New York hair treatment specialists, this is the best hair technology in the world that can help your clients. Let's go.
What if a 30-minute call led you into becoming a top hair professional? In offering a revolutionary technology that the world was looking for. Pretty dramatic, huh? Well, I'm here to explain what a strategy call is and what it'll do for you as a hair professional. This microstrand, the filaments of this microstrand, is literally as thin as a human hair, as fine and soft as a human hair, but 10 times stronger than a human hair and translucent. Translucent means upon contact of the skin or scalp, it disappears. Then one human hair at a time is fed onto this microstrand apart from each other. Here's the finished product. This is one example of the microstrand invention. Notice how you can just see right through this. When this is blended in between your client's hair, your clients will see and feel nothing. They'll be able to brush directly down to their scalp as if there's nothing there. And their own hair will be used and their own hair will stay safe and healthy. Let's look really close at this front hairline. What do you see? Look closely. Do you see any microstrand? Watch this. Notice I'm actually removing parts of this microstrand to prove to you that there was really hair added up front in this front hairline. This is unheard of in the industry. Your clients are going to see and feel nothing, and they're going to be able to brush directly down to their scalp, and they're going to be able to apply any treatments directly down to their scalp. That's the breakthrough technology that you're going to find out within a strategy call.
Claim your free call now, comment below, or reach out through our profile. Let's talk.